Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see deleted messages on WhatsApp. If someone deletes a message before you can read it, don't worry, there is a way to recover it. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then navigate to Notifications. Here, make sure to enable high priority notifications by toggling the switch on. This will be the first step. Next, go to your phone settings by pulling down the notification bar and tapping the gear icon. Scroll down and select Notifications, then tap on Advanced Settings. Now find and enable Notification History. By default, this option is disabled, so simply turn it on. From now on, every notification you receive, including WhatsApp messages, will be saved in this history. Now imagine you are chatting with someone, and they send you a message but delete it before you can read it. With Notification History enabled, you can simply go back to this section and see exactly what they wrote, even if they tried to erase it. And that's it. Now you know how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages easily.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.